Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Anthony, and I wanted to give you guys a quick insight on what this channel is going to be all about and a quick introduction video. So again, my name's Anthony. I have 5 amazing kids, all boys, keep me busy, keep me young, and an amazing wife by my side. We wanted to film our journey to Thailand, and we wanted to create a channel for everyone out there that is currently looking to relocate to Thailand with their families. One thing that we learned quickly while doing our research of the process that we're going to have to take and go through to relocate to Thailand, we found out fast that there's not a lot of information out there as far as how to relocate your family to Thailand. If you go on YouTube, a lot of what you're going to see is digital nomads from across the world going to Thailand, filming their journey, which is great. It's awesome. But it doesn't quite answer the questions that people may have if they are relocating their families there. So that is the purpose of this channel. We want to give you guys some insight on what it's going to take to relocate your family, whether it be you, your wife, or your partner, and 1 child, 2 child, 3 child. In my case, it's 5. Currently live in Virginia, looking to move to Thailand within the next year. Hopefully sooner. We do have a house that we are currently putting on the market. We got to get that sold before we can move to Thailand. But we want to film our journey as far as getting passports, what visas we're applying for, the process of us going to Thailand and getting there, getting settled in, finding schooling. We are currently employed through different companies, but we also own a business, and we are going to be relocating that business to Thailand. So those of you that have businesses and are looking to start a business in Thailand, which is not the easiest thing to do, can definitely benefit from watching this channel. Those of you that just want to go there for 6 months out of the year could with a family could definitely benefit from this channel. All in all, we want to give you guys the good, the bad. We're not going to hold back. We're going to tell you exactly how it is, and we're not going to just show you the good and leave out the bad. We want you guys to fully understand what you're going to be getting you and your family into if you decide to move to Thailand. Now, we might not be able to answer every single question that you guys have, and you might not find the answer in our videos, but I'll tell you, we'll be as transparent as possible, just because we noticed that there is a niche for it on YouTube, on the digital platforms. There's not a lot of videos up on the web right now about families moving to Thailand. There's a lot of digital nomads, a lot of people taking vacations, and those sort of things, but there's really not a lot of information on what it's going to look like to move a family of a decent size to Thailand, and safe areas to be in. So for example, we found out fast that Bangkok is not an area that you want to raise a family in. There's just a lot going on. It's very fast paced, a lot of people, very crowded. So we are actually looking into other parts of Thailand, and if anybody got any suggestion or recommendations, please drop them below in the comments. We're completely open-minded to where we go, as long as it has the minimum resources that we would need, shopping centers to go get our daily essentials. And then one thing that we really are looking for is we want to be by water, by the beach. We'd like to do a lot of outside activities. Fishing is one of them, swimming is one of them. We really want to be somewhere where we get the best of both worlds, but we don't necessarily need to be in the middle of the city like Bangkok. So if anybody has any recommendations, please drop them below. We are open to any recommendations, and we'll look into it. But going forward, we plan on dropping at least 1 to 2 videos, maybe 3 videos a week, depending on how quickly things are ramping up. Like I said, we have to get our house on the market and sold. You know, we are actually in a good time of the year for that, with summer just right around the corner. We're actually looking to quick sell our house. So, you know, we really just want to get it sold, you know, sell all our, you know, belongings that we don't plan on taking with us to Thailand, and really get the ball moving here. And hopefully be, you know, uploading a video of us actually going to Thailand, you know, because that's going to be the next phase. Right now we're currently in the planning and you know, researching phase. The next phase will actually be relocating to Thailand. So as far as, you know, whether we're shipping, you know, our personal belongings there, or we're just starting off fresh, which, to be honest with you, me and my wife talked a lot about that as well, and that's something that we are heavily considering, possibly just getting a small storage unit here for the things that we absolutely do not want to get rid of, but we can't take either. So like I said, you know, we want to go to Thailand for many different reasons, one of which is um, financial freedom. You know, the US dollar goes a long way in Thailand. We also love the culture, as far as, you know, the food, the people, you know, from what we read and what we've seen. Now, keep in mind, we haven't experienced yet, so we're just going off based off our research. You know, a lot of people are saying that the people are just so welcoming there, and it's infectious, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a place where we're welcome. We're looking for a place where we can have financial freedom. You know, we love America, but you have to admit, even if you stay here, you're just in it's like a cat and mouse game here, you know. Me and my wife have decent careers. We make, you know, decent money, you know, for what we do. um but it's like a never ending cat and mouse game, and we want to get out of that. You know, we want more time with each other. We want more time with our family. Like I said, I got 5 boys, you know, and they're very active. You know, they are very active, and they're growing fast. And the last thing I want to do is spend the next 10, 15, 20 years working, providing, but not being able to watch them grow, because you can't get that time back. And that's what we're looking to get out of Thailand. Now, those of you that think that you can just up and move to Thailand and become a citizen like that, um, please keep following our channel, because it doesn't work that way. There's some steps you have to take, and we would love to provide you guys with that information so you can do that. I hope this has been informative for you guys. I hope you guys follow us on our journey. If you guys are looking to relocate to Thailand and have some unanswered questions, feel free to drop some comments, or shoot us a quick direct message. Look, we are here to help you guys. We noticed that there is not a lot of information for families as far as steps that need to be taken to get your family out there, and we want to answer those questions. I thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment. We just started this channel. We've never done this before. We're not looking to, you know, make money off this channel. If we're blessed enough to get enough followers and enough views to make money off this channel, that's great, you know. But to be honest with you, first time doing it, we really just want to, you know, inform you guys and help you guys out and really take you guys along our journey. Again, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye.